Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself Prasanna Mehta, studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, pursuing my BE in CSE CY Cybersecurity. Today we are going to discuss about the topic sound and temperature control in the buildings. Sound control and temperature control in the buildings. First, introduction. Welcome to the presentation on optimizing acoustics and climate control in the building. This session will explore strategies for sound and temperature management in the building design and operation. Let us understand what is acoustics. Achieving the optimal acoustic performance involves considering factors such as reverberation, absorption, and sound transmission. Proper design and material selection are crucial for effective noise control. Next, let us see what is climate control systems. Effective climate control requires a balance between heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems. Energy efficient sound solutions play a key role in maintaining comfortable indoor temperatures. Next, soundproofing techniques. Incorporating soundproofing materials and techniques such as double glazing, acoustic seals, and insulation can significantly reduce noise pollution from external and internal sources. Next, Next, natural ventilation design. Leveraging natural ventilation through strategic building orientation, window placement, and ventilation openings can enhance indoor air quality and reduce reliance on mechanical cooling systems. Next, thermal mass utilization. Utilizing thermal mass materials such as concrete and stone can help regulate indoor temperatures by absorbing and releasing heat, contributing to more stable and comfortable climate conditions. Next, acoustic design guidelines. Following established acoustic design guidelines and standards such as those of American Society of Heating, Refrigerating and Air Conditioning Engineers is essential for achieving optimal sound environments. Energy efficient HVAC. Implementing energy efficient HVAC systems will advance with advanced controls, variable speed drives, and thermal zoning can result in sustainable energy savings while maintaining precise temperature control. Now let us see some case studies with successful implementations. Explore the real-world examples of buildings that have effectively optimized acoustics and climate control through innovative design and technology integration. Next, maintenance and monitoring. Regular maintenance and monitoring of the building systems are crucial for sustaining optimal acoustic performance and climate control efficiency over time. Next, future trends and innovations. Stay ahead of the curve by exploring emerging technologies and trends in the acoustic materials and climate control systems that promise to shape the future of the building system. Lastly, in conclusion, achieving optimal acoustic and climate control in the buildings requires a holistic approach encompassing designs, materials, technologies, and ongoing maintenance. By implementing effective strategies, we can create healthier and more comfortable indoor environments. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and share the video.